What's up, chuletas? Today we're going to be making a sunflower cake using the paddle knife painting technique. If you're new here, welcome to Thalias Cakes. Thank you so much for clicking on this tutorial. If you enjoy fun cake decorating and other cake related stuff, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on another tutorial. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is dye our buttercream blue. To make this blue, I used royal blue food gel, and then I used some black and a little bit of violet. Now we can go ahead, stack and fill the cake. So this cake was for my sister's birthday. She requested a vanilla confetti cake with a chocolate frosting, and girl, it was so good. Oh my goodness. If you would like the recipe to that chocolate frosting, leave a comment down below and I will make a tutorial for you guys. Once the cake was filled, I gave it a crumb coat and popped it into the refrigerator for 30 minutes, and then I gave it its final coat. In case you're wondering, I used my American buttercream recipe. You can get that recipe down in the description box. Once you put on your final coat, pop the cake into the refrigerator again for 45 minutes because you want the buttercream to be nice and firm for our next step. While that's chilling, let's move on to mixing the other two buttercream colors. I dyed one batch lemon yellow from Wilton, and for the other, I dyed a buttercup yellow from Wilton. So at my second home, the Dollar Tree, I found these things and I was so excited. You can do so many different things with this, different flowers, different techniques. Just be creative. And this, honestly, you don't really need it. You could honestly just use a plato, plate, whatever, but you know, I just wanted to play the part, you know. I'm extra, what can I say? So just dab some on your paddle knife, just like this, and paint some petals on like this. Like I said before, doing this part, make sure that your cake is chilled or else your colors will start to mix and it's not gonna be a good time for you, girl. Most of you guys already know buttercream cakes are not my thing, pero it's nice to try new things. So since I've never done something like this before, I did practice on a piece of parchment paper like this, so there's an idea about a day, okay? For the brown center of the flower, I decided to pipe some chocolate frosting. So I know I already showed you how to do the petals, but here's how I did the ones for the ones that were on the edges. Also, for some of the flowers I placed down the darker yellow, and then on top of that, I placed on the lighter yellow. Just to give it more of a, you know, I don't know. And lastly, to give it a little fancy-wancy look, I used these little Nonpareils. What I did was I dipped my pointer finger in a little bit of agua, okay? And then I lightly dabbed my finger on top of a paper towel just to get it like, you know, a little moist. And then I put my finger inside the sprinkles and they stood onto my fingers like this. And then like that, I was able to stick it onto the cake. Oh wait girl, I lied. And then I used some blue buttercream to pipe around the bottom of the cake just so that white part wasn't showing. And that's it. It looks like a little 5-year-old did it, but that's okay. It's supposed to be one of those messy, artsy thingies. You know what I'm saying? If you do give this cake tutorial a try, please tag me on my Facebook or my Instagram because I would love to repost it and share it with everyone else. It was honestly very therapeutic to do this cake. It was something new. I think it came out okay, you know. It's not the best, but you know, it's alright, it's alright. Question: would you rather see a Pennywise cake or would you rather see a Thanksgiving cake? Or would you rather see both? But which one would you rather see first? Leave a comment down below so I can know. So if you love your girl, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Let's see if we can get this video up to 100 likes. And if you're new here, please don't forget to hit the circle button right over here to subscribe to my channel so you can continue to receive more fun cake tutorials like this or like this. Thank you so much for watching. God bless.